Welcome back, guys. Jim from Imperial Industries here. We got another classy truck of the week. Ordinarily, we have new trucks that we're illustrating here, but here we have a customer from Minnesota. This is a Pete 379. It's a 2005. He completely restored this baby, and she's really a classic. Full of chrome, well decked out. He completely reframed the entire truck, stripped it all down. So we installed a 4,000 gallon aluminum tank, and he's got a lot of nice features on here, from the front work lights to the shovel holder. He's got a complete remote control system on here. Of course, we're running the NVE 4310 bore, which everybody has become quite familiar with. Going down, he also added in all these additional marker lights. There's all kinds of options. This is a midship signal. And he's got the Omega hose reel on here, which is becoming quite popular too. These guys really like these Omega hose reels. On the rear end here, of course, he's got dual intakes on here. One has an internal riser standpipe, the other one does not. Typically, the one without the riser standpipe is the one with the pneumatic air cylinder. Most often, for the guys that are back flushing, where they'll pull up a portion, blow it back down there, and the other one has the internal riser standpipe. He also has it all equipped with these stainless steel heated collars. Got backup switches back here for in the event he's not using the remote, or if it needs to be replaced, everything has backup. On the passenger side here, we've got a 100-gallon stainless steel water tank. We manufacture that in-house here. And here he has 5 gallons a minute at 3,000 PSI cat jetter. And of course, what's nice about our features here, which I want to emphasize again, here we've got a master power switch. I can engage the jetter, do the engine RPM ramp up, and we also provide a second vacuum pump or blower switch from this side. So you can run them each independently. You can run them together at the same time and then do the ramp up without having to run back and forth in and out of the cab, running the cruise control. Here he also has on the front here a stainless steel 4-inch dump or discharge. On the aluminum tanks, we always run stainless steel out completely all the way, and this is also heated. So outside of that, it's one of our classiest looking trucks that we've seen here at Imperial, despite it's a 2005. Look at that baby. It's an animal.